Bonjour Year 5. Quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? Lundi 28 février 2022. Lundi 28 février 2022. Écrivez dans le cahier. Et puis, le titre, révision et discussion autour d'un livre. So we're going to revise and discuss about a book. Our learning objective for today is I can talk about a book. Can you talk about a book? In French, let's see, with simple sentences though. Our starter activity is here. List 6 things you can see on this book cover. It says, we are bilingual. En français, nous sommes bilingues. Now, what you're going to do is, going to try to list down what you can see in this book. Okay? After which you have a challenge. Finish the sentences. Now, those challenge takers, you can just try to write sur la couverture on peut voir, which means on the picture we can see. What can you see in the picture? Okay. Aussi, il y a. Also, there is. You can add some more things that you can see. What all can you see in this picture? Literally, you can write down, and there are some keywords for you to understand. Through this lesson, we're working on our HPL idea, meta thinking. This is our next slide. Here, your question is, you need to answer all these questions in English. What does being bilingual mean? What does it mean? What are the advantages of being bilingual? So you're going to answer these, and then you have a challenge here. Can you think of famous people that are bilingual? Famous people that are bilingual. Okay, and a few keywords for you. Your first student outcome is, can I list items from this picture? Okay, this picture is actually a picture from the book that we just saw, the cover page that we just saw. So try to list some items from the picture. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur l'image? Ça veut dire quoi? What does this mean? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur l'image? What is there on the picture? So list as many items from the picture as you can. You have 2 minutes time for this. Also make a sentence. We just saw that in the last slide. Sur l'image, on peut voir. So instead of making a sentence in English, you can make in French. So you're going to say sur l'image, on peut voir, and then you can write the words. If you do not know how to say the words in French, you have wordreference.com, okay, to lean upon. Then you have challenge, true or false. Il y a un chien, il y a une plante, il y a un canapé. Now, is it true or false? The first one I'm going to help you with. Il y a un chien. Il y a is there is or there are. Un chien is, you're absolutely right, it means a dog. There is a dog. So is it true or false? Look at the picture carefully and find and write whether it's true or false. Like which you're going to answer the second one and the third one as well. If you do not know what these words mean, you need to use wordreference.com. Next, your student outcome 2 is, can I describe the characters? Okay, and your student outcome 3 is, can you describe their outfits? So first about the character, then about the outfits. We have learned some adjectives last year and this year as well to describe people. So the first one is, can I describe the characters? How do you describe the characters? You need to describe how they look, their hair color, maybe long or short, and the hair texture, the type of the hair. You could describe their eye color. You can describe them with adjectives saying they're big, they're short, they're beautiful, handsome, and all of that. So here there's an example for you. Par exemple, le père a les cheveux noirs et courts, et il a les yeux noirs. Il est grand, gentil et mince, which means the father has. So this picture, it makes you understand that that's the father and then the mother and the child, and they're walking together. So first, it describes the father. Le père a les cheveux noirs et courts. The father has black hair and black and short hair. Et il a les yeux noirs, and he has black eyes. Always remember the adjective comes after the noun, and over here it's the body part. Because in English we always say black hair, but in French it's quite the opposite. It's hair black. You know, it's always like that. The noun comes before the color. Il est grand, gentil et mince. He is tall, big, kind, and slim or thin, whatever you want to keep it. And then the next one is, can you describe their outfits? Yeah, I'm going to describe this man's outfit. Il porte un manteau vert, a green cloak he's wearing. He wears a green cloak, foncé, un pantalon rouge, a red trouser, and shoes. So over here it means un pantalon rouge is a red trouser and des chaussures is shoes. So likewise, you have the lady next to him and then you have a child next to her. So you can try to, keeping this as an example, you can try to describe the lady and her outfits as well. Yeah, the lady and the outfit, the child and her outfit. Okay, so we move on to the next one. This is for French native speakers. If you're a French native speaker and you want to challenge yourself, answer the questions in French. Tu aimes la couverture? Pourquoi? Pourquoi pas? Tu aimes les personnages? Pourquoi? Pourquoi pas? Challenge, translate. Le livre s'appelle Nous sommes bilingues. So you're going to translate that. And that's it. But non-native speakers, if you still want to challenge yourself, you could also try this. And again, French native speakers, you have one more question. Tu aimes quel livre? Tu préfères quel personnage? Finish the sentences with the ones given below. Ce que j'aime le plus, c'est, and then you write what it is. Ce que j'aime le moins, c'est, and then you write what it is. You need to finish your sentence with à la fin, je pense que le personnage, and then you could write over here in this cover story, the cover book, the book cover over here in this story, it talks about dreaming and all of that. So it says rêve de, but then you can try to write above the book that you like and the character that you like, and can also say the end of the story, the end, what happens at the end of the story that you have read and you have liked. Okay,